Hello, this is a quick video to show how to save viewport render animation in Blender. This is an animation we set in the last video. We set the turntable animation for an object. We can find the tutorial in this video description. Now I stop it here and go back to first frame. For save the viewport render animation, we can switch to wireframe mode, or we can use the solid mode. Also, we can use the material preview mode, and we can use the render preview mode for Eevee. I skip the setting for Eevee, so I switch to material preview, and then we can go to output properties and set the output location, click the folder, and choose the folder you want to save and accept it. And then for the file formats, we can choose the image, or we can choose the movie. I will choose MPEG video. For the encoding, I will choose container to MPEG-4. Then we can go to View and Viewport Render Animation. After viewport render animation, we can go to File folder and choose the animation to preview it. This is how we can save viewport's render animation in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist V. See you in the next video. Bye bye.